Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by powering the Vivo Y58 5G off to protect circuitry. Once done, hold it face down on a clean surface. Insert the eject tool into the tray hole and press straight in until the tray pops out. Do not twist. Make sure you note tray orientation as it comes out, because you will replace it the same way. Once the tray is free, gently pull it out using fingertips, exposing the two NanoSIM wells for the next steps. You now place the SIMs into their correct wells. Look for tiny SIM1 and SIM2 markings on the tray so you assign primary and secondary correctly. Align each Nano SIM with the tray cut corner, gold contacts facing down. This ensures proper electrical contact once inserted. Press each card gently until it clicks or lies flush. Make sure neither card overhangs the tray edge. Once both are seated flat, visually confirm alignment so the tray will slide back in smoothly. You reinsert the tray with the same orientation you removed it, sliding it in gently until it is flush. Then power the phone back on. Once booted, go to Settings, then SIM card and mobile networks to enable and label each SIM, choose default for calls, SMS and data, and set 5G preference if available. If a SIM is not detected, make sure the tray was fully seated, power cycle the phone, or remove and clean.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.